friends! Do you know when Kinder Joy launched and where? Before you watching this video, please do subscribe. Kinder Joy is a candy made by Italian company Ferrero as part of its Kinder brand of products. It has plastic egg-shaped packaging that splits into two. One half contains layers of cocoa and milk cream, and the other half contains a toy. Kinder Joy was launched in Italy in 2001 and as of 2014 was sold in more than 100 countries. Ferrero launched Kinder Joy in Italy in 2001. It has been sold in Spain since 2004, in Germany since May 2006, and in China and India since 2007. It was launched in Australia and the United States in 2018. In 2011, Ferrero opened a factory in Baramati in India to make the eggs, in addition to other products including Tic Tacs. In 2015, the company opened its first factory in China, which produced Kinder Joy as its first manufacturing line. As of September 2015, Kinder Joy was one of the highest selling candy products in the Chinese market and had received Nielsen China's Breakthrough Invention Award. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.